Hi everyone. If you want to track GA4 e-commerce event for WordPress website, I can help you for that. Today in this video, I will show you how to track all e-commerce event with just 2 tags. So let's begin. First, we need to install a plugin for data layer. Add plugin. Search here for GTM WP. This one, install and active. Now you can click on settings and paste your GTM container ID. Paste your GTM container ID here, GoogleTagManager ID. Paste and click on save. Then go to integration, WooCommerce, and enable this setting. Track e-commerce. Cart content data here. Order data in data layer. Customer data in data layer. Enable these things. Track e-commerce. Cart content in data layer. Customer data and customer data in data layer, order data in data layer, then save changes. Okay, and go to your analytics ID. Data stream, then copy your measurement ID. Copy and create 2 triggers. Number 1 is Google tags. Google tags, paste the container ID and save it all pages. Now create another tags GA4 event and paste your container ID. Name should be event. You can click on your keyboard curly bracket and select event and send e-commerce data from data layer. More trigger should be custom event and name this page view item, then add to cart, then view cart, then begin checkout and purchase and click use regex matching and name this trigger e-commerce event. Okay, our setup is done. Very simple setup, but this is not recommended. If you are new, you can do it like this way. Now let's check in real time. Go to debug view. Okay, preview our container. Yeah, you can see page view event. Okay, in our event section, in our tags, you can see Google tag is fire. And go to, if I check here, okay, it's working. I hope event will come couple of seconds later. Okay, if I click here, view item, you can see view item and view item list. Okay, and you will see here. Okay, so maybe we should reload the page. Yep, you can see view item. Okay, with item name, item quantity, item category. If I click add to cart, you can see add to cart event. If I click view cart, then you can see view cart event also in debug view. Add to cart, it will appear again view cart. You can see view cart. Now if I click on process to checkout, and purchase the order and place the order, I hope our purchase event will also work. Yeah, definitely it is working. You can see purchase event name, transaction ID, and you will see here also. Yeah, so basic things. And if you have any query, you can comment in our video section.